Step, step, stop. Real hair or wig? 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 Hey, 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 hey. Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm feeling myself. Hi guys, it's Bria Shantae. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing and installing this Upart wig for you guys. Petalwigs was kind enough to send me a Upart Kinky curly wig in 16 inches and 150% density. Right here I'm just showing you guys the clips. It even has an adjustable band at the bottom, and the little mesh part at the top is where you cut it out for your leave out. Now this is the wig straight out of the box. No shedding, no tangling. The curls are defined, and it's really soft hair, you guys. So nice. Along with the wig, they sent some lashes, a wig cap, and a little pink comb. And the wig itself came in this cute little pink satin bag with Petalwigs right in the front with the adjustable drawstrings. Really cute packaging. So I showed y'all the wig straight out of the box, but I ended up co-washing it off camera just because I wanted the curls to be real juicy and natural and defined. And I put leave-in conditioner in it, and this is what I got. The hair super pretty. It really matches my hair texture. Now I'm just gonna cut the mesh part for the leave out, and coming up, y'all gonna see me just cutting away. I didn't cut a piece of the hair, girl. Look, didn't even know. Whole piece of curl gone. Now for a good stable install, you would probably want to put anchor braids around your leave out and do smaller cornrows or something. But for the sake of this video and the purpose of quick removal, because I didn't really know how I wanted to style it, I just inserted those clips right into my hair, as you see here. And then I'm gonna go in with some bobby pins just to secure it a little bit better. I ended up leaving some hair out around the edges, but y'all really don't have to do that. I was just, y'all know, I be with that natural stuff. Like, I want it to look seamless, I want it to look natural, and I just like for my edges to be laid. But y'all can do that without leaving hair out. So I just sprayed it with some water, and I used some Eco Styler flaxseed gel, I think. And I put that on my hair and the weave and combed that through. And when I tell y'all, my hair blended so well with this hair. I wasn't even halfway through the video, and I'm like, oh yeah, this is it. Like, this is gonna be my go-to. Now y'all know I have that little situation going on with the left side of my hair. It don't be want to curl up, it don't be want to do nothing, but I did the best that I could and it came out really cute. So I'm just drenching it with water right now, using my dimming brush to really mesh my real hair in with the weave. I would say my best advice to give you with using with any Upart wig is to treat that like it's your real hair. Like, I'm brushing it, I am meshing it, I am gelling it, I am moussing it. Like, you don't want no dry hair sitting on top of this curly wig. I'm letting you know now, because I'm gonna talk about you. I'm just showing y'all that this is my hair with no product in it, and I didn't put anything on it yet because I'm about to show y'all a quick little style that y'all can do if you're having a hard time blending your hair, if you have heat damage like me and you don't really want that hair sitting up on top of there like that with it not matching. So just watch this. So yeah, like I said, this is a style for my people that have a hard time blending their real hair with weave. You can just slick that back, boom, little slick back front. You know what I'm saying? Business in the front, part in the back type thing. Period. I just want to let y'all know the care for this Upart wig is really simple. All you need is a spray bottle, and I would suggest some leave-in just so it won't be dry. You want it to have that moisturized look. Look at me. The curls are defined, they are shiny. Yes, ma'am. Now I just want to take a moment to talk about blending. For people that are looking to just throw this wig on and go, you can literally do just that. Get you a water bottle, some mousse, some gel, a dimming brush, and comb through it, and you are good to go. Now, someone like me might have to do a little bit more manipulation. You can do things as far as a braid out, a twist out, coils, as I'm about to do, and I mean, you're really good to go. This is a perfect wig, literally a perfect wig, the perfect wig. Especially for someone like me that's trying to keep heat out of their hair. Like, girl, this is perfect for me, seriously. Like, I don't have to put any heat in my hair. I can still have my wash and go look without having to have all of my hair out. I'm just showing y'all how I'm about to slightly finesse this section of my hair because it's more wavy than curly. So I'm just taking the weave and my real hair and doing a slight little coil. Make sure you put a lot of gel because you want those, like, you want that to stick together. I will say that I could have done smaller coils, but it was okay. I just want to thank Petalwigs again for sending me this wig. It's beautiful, it is well needed, and I enjoyed making this video for y'all. I hope y'all liked it. All the information on this hair will be in the description box below. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will catch y'all in the next video.